Another day, another Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. Dive in with us as we explore the vibrant world of the yellow oyster mushroom, or scientifically known as Pleurotus citrinopileatus. Alrighty, let's get started. Visually stunning and delicious, the yellow oyster mushroom isn't just a treat for the eyes. It has a slight peppery taste that brings a kick to any dish, making it a favorite among chefs. While they thrive in tropical and subtropical climates, yellow oyster mushrooms are incredibly adaptive. With the right conditions, they can be easily cultivated right in your own home. But did you know the caps of the yellow oyster mushrooms tend to grow in beautiful, layered clusters, often resembling a cascading waterfall of gold? Such amazing golden delights from the fascinating world of fungi. Explore more about the yellow oyster mushroom and many others on the Mushroom Network. Please take a second to subscribe to our channel and further enrich your mycological journey.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off. For now.